Hi, I'm Shin, and today we will removing probably all from here. We will see. In previous video we took off crankshaft cover, and I'm already see, because last time I told you that this one is in good shape, but it isn't. I see it now. I'm not sure if you see it, but later I will show you. But for now, let's unscrew these arms. Oh, great. Look what happened. You know what is funny? They are new. You saw before the same tools in my hands, but they were stolen 2 weeks ago, and I bought new, and I already broke one part of these new tools. And the best thing is this is a good brand, so I will have a big problem with these parts. Okay, I will try unscrew this first. Let's start unscrewing for removing first timing. Okay, hi. I already was saying hi at the beginning, but I'm not sure because now I saw that my camera isn't working. I don't know why, and I don't know when it stopped, and I don't know what did you see. But we unscrew this part and the boards from everywhere and put it on a water pump. I hope you saw that because we inside here was a lot of, I don't even know, something like something like this, but there was so big of that. Probably they are still inside, and we have problems with putting out this, that I broke my hammer trying to take this off. Yeah, and we stop at the part when we spinning whole rotors. We see how rocket arms are working, and we want to unscrew this, but for that we need to block this, and I have a tool to that, but I didn't take this with me, so for today I decided to stop this and just say to you thank you for watching, and if you like this short video, probably not whole because camera stopped working, and then I will what I'm saying, if you like this video, leave a comment like below, and if you want more, just subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next week. Thank you for watching, bye.